To fix a problem where you cannot connect your Sony WF-C510 with any device, first you need to grab a case, open it, and insert both of the earbuds inside. Then you can close this case and reopen it, look on the back and find this circle button right there. Now click and hold this button, and while holding it, look on the front. There's a LED lamp right here which should start glowing with the blue light in a second. And after that, wait a few moments again until you can see the red light. Now there's a red light and we're gonna let go in a second. And now our device have returned to factory settings. To pair them with your device, you will need to click on this button again until you can see the blue light. And now we can move to the pairing, enter a Bluetooth settings on your smartphone, select pair new device, and then find WF-C510. Now they will pair with my smartphone. And that is the way you can fix connection problems on this device.